Your microwave may look perfectly clean from the outside. The buttons wiped down, the glass polished, everything appearing completely normal in the kitchen. But, hidden inside the vent filter above the microwave, thick layers of sticky grease could already be building up every single time you cook. And according to Japanese cleaning specialists, most people never clean this area properly until the buildup becomes severe. Every time oil heats on a stove, tiny airborne grease particles rise into the air, along with steam, smoke, and moisture. The microwave vent is designed to pull that air upward, but as it does, the grease becomes trapped inside the metal filter mesh little by little each day. Over time, dust and smoke particles stick to the oily surface, creating a thick yellow residue that feels almost impossible to remove. And the worst part is that many people continue cooking while the old grease remains trapped inside the vent. Each time the microwave fan runs, the heat reheats that buildup again, slowly turning the filter darker, stickier, and sometimes even creating unpleasant kitchen odors without people realizing where the smell is actually coming from. In Japan, many kitchens are compact, meaning steam, smoke, and cooking oil spread through the room much faster than in larger kitchens. Yet despite the smaller cooking spaces, thick, greasy microwave vents are surprisingly less common in many Japanese homes. The reason is not stronger cleaning chemicals or expensive appliances. It comes down to small maintenance habits designed to stop grease from hardening inside the vent system before it becomes difficult to remove. In Japanese kitchen culture, ventilation is treated as part of the cooking process itself. Exhaust fans are often turned on before cooking even begins, so airborne oil particles can be removed before spreading across the kitchen. Small grease splashes around vents are also cleaned quickly while they are still fresh, instead of waiting for deep cleaning days months later. Another major difference is consistency. In many Japanese households, vent filters are checked regularly because once grease begins building inside the mesh, it starts trapping even more smoke, dust, and oil particles every time cooking happens. Over time, the filter slowly becomes a sticky surface that collects new grease faster and faster. And according to Japanese cleaning specialists, the real problem usually begins long before the vent looks visibly dirty. By the time grease becomes obvious on the outside, thick, oily buildup may already be blocking airflow deep inside the filter itself. Most people think the sticky yellow residue inside microwave vents is simply cooking oil trapped in the filter. But in reality, the buildup is much more complex. Every time food cooks on a stove, tiny airborne grease particles rise into the air along with steam, smoke, and microscopic food residue. The microwave vent pulls that contaminated air upward through the filter system, where the oily particles begin sticking to the metal mesh little by little each day. At first, the layer is almost invisible. But once grease mixes with heat, dust, smoke, and moisture repeatedly, it begins thickening into a sticky film that traps even more particles over time. This is why older microwave vent filters often feel heavy, greasy, and difficult to clean with ordinary wiping alone. The heat from cooking also changes the grease chemically. Over time, the oils oxidize and harden into a darker residue that bonds tightly to the filter surface. As the microwave fan continues pulling air through the vent, more grease sticks to the existing layer, causing the buildup to become thicker month after month. And once airflow begins slowing down because of clogged grease, the vent system itself can start recirculating odors and smoke back into the kitchen. In some cases, the grease trapped inside old filters may even begin producing a burnt smell each time the fan turns on, especially during high-heat cooking. When microwave vents become sticky and covered in grease, most people immediately try scrubbing the filter aggressively or spraying it with strong chemicals. But according to Japanese cleaning specialists, many of these methods actually make the problem worse over time. One of the biggest mistakes is trying to clean the filter while the grease is completely dry. Hardened grease behaves almost like glue once it has been exposed to heat repeatedly. Scrubbing it aggressively without softening the buildup first often pushes grease deeper into the filter mesh, while damaging the metal surface itself. Another common mistake is using bleach or harsh degreasers directly on vent filters. These products may remove surface stains temporarily, but they are not designed to dissolve thick layers of oxidized cooking oil properly. In some cases, strong chemicals can even damage protective coatings or leave behind fumes that become noticeable the next time the vent heats up. Many people also ignore the vent filter completely for months or even years. In Japanese kitchen culture, vent systems are cleaned regularly because once grease begins blocking airflow, the fan starts trapping even more smoke, dust, and oil particles inside the filter much faster. And perhaps the biggest mistake of all is reinstalling filters while they are still damp or partially greasy. Moisture mixed with leftover grease creates the perfect surface for new buildup to spread even faster during the next cooking cycle. So what is the Japanese method for removing years of microwave vent grease without endless scrubbing or harsh chemical cleaners? Surprisingly, the process focuses less on force and more on softening the grease before trying to remove it. Instead of scraping hardened oil aggressively, the goal is to loosen the buildup using heat, steam, and moisture so the grease separates naturally from the filter mesh itself. In many Japanese kitchens, hot water and steam are used first to soften the thick, oily residue trapped inside the vent filter. Heat weakens the bond between the oxidized grease and the metal mesh, while moisture helps penetrate the hardened buildup more deeply. Once the grease becomes softer, a small amount of dish soap and baking soda is enough to begin dissolving the remaining residue safely. The reason this method works so effectively is because microwave vent grease is not just surface dirt. It is layers of airborne cooking oils repeatedly baked onto the filter through months or even years of heat exposure. Aggressive scrubbing often removes only the outer layer, while leaving sticky residue trapped deeper inside the mesh. But by softening the buildup first, the Japanese method allows the grease to lift away gradually with far less effort. And because the process focuses on dissolving the grease, instead of grinding it off mechanically, the filter often returns much closer to its original clean metallic surface again. The first step is turning off the microwave and carefully removing the vent filter from underneath the appliance. In many Japanese kitchens, filters are cleaned separately, so the grease trapped deep inside the mesh can be treated directly, instead of only wiping the surface around it. Once removed, the filter is placed into a sink or shallow container filled with very hot water to begin softening the hardened grease buildup. Next, a small amount of dish soap and baking soda is added to the hot water. The dish soap targets the oils directly, while the baking soda helps loosen thick, sticky residue trapped inside the metal mesh. In Japanese cleaning routines, the filter is usually left soaking for several minutes, so the heat and moisture can penetrate deeper layers of grease before wiping begins. For heavier buildup, steam is sometimes used during this stage to soften older oxidized grease even further. As the residue loosens, a soft sponge or microfiber cloth is used to gently remove the grease without bending or damaging the filter mesh itself. Once the buildup is fully removed, the filter is rinsed thoroughly with warm water and dried completely before being reinstalled. In Japanese kitchens, complete drying is considered important because leftover moisture can trap new grease and dust much faster during the next cooking cycle. And once the thick, oily layer disappears, the difference becomes noticeable immediately. The filter looks brighter, airflow improves, and the entire kitchen often feels fresher every time the vent fan turns on again. The reason this Japanese microwave vent cleaning method works so effectively comes down to heat, chemistry, and grease separation. The sticky buildup trapped inside vent filters is not just ordinary cooking oil sitting loosely on the surface. Over time, airborne grease particles mix with smoke, dust, and moisture while being exposed to repeated heat from cooking, causing the oils to oxidize and harden deep inside the filter mesh. Hot water and steam play an important role because heat softens those hardened grease layers and weakens the bond attaching them to the metal surface. Once the buildup becomes softer, dish soap begins targeting the oils directly using surfactants, special molecules designed to bond with grease and pull it away with water instead of spreading it across the filter. Baking soda also helps loosen older residue because its mild alkalinity breaks apart acidic grease compounds that have hardened over time. But perhaps the most important part is avoiding aggressive scrubbing. In Japanese cleaning culture, the goal is not to grind the grease off mechanically. It is to soften the buildup chemically and thermally so it separates naturally from the mesh without damaging the filter itself. And because the grease is dissolved instead of simply scraped from the surface, the vent usually stays cleaner longer afterward. Once the thick, oily residue is fully removed, new grease has a much harder time attaching itself deeply to the clean metal mesh again. The reason this Japanese microwave vent cleaning method works so effectively comes down to heat, chemistry, and grease separation. The sticky buildup trapped inside vent filters is not just ordinary cooking oil sitting loosely on the surface. Over time, airborne grease particles mix with smoke, dust, and moisture while being exposed to repeated heat from cooking, causing the oils to oxidize and harden deep inside the filter mesh. Hot water and steam play an important role because heat softens those hardened grease layers and weakens the bond attaching them to the metal surface. Once the buildup becomes softer, dish soap begins targeting the oils directly using surfactants, special molecules designed to bond with grease and pull it away with water instead of spreading it across the filter. Baking soda also helps loosen older residue because its mild alkalinity breaks apart acidic grease compounds that have hardened over time. But perhaps the most important part is avoiding aggressive scrubbing. In Japanese cleaning culture, the goal is not to grind the grease off mechanically, it is to soften the buildup chemically and thermally so it separates naturally from the mesh without damaging the filter itself. And because the grease is dissolved instead of simply scraped from the surface, the vent usually stays cleaner longer afterward. Once the thick, oily residue is fully removed, new grease has a much harder time attaching itself deeply to the clean metal mesh again. Behind these microwave vent cleaning habits is a much deeper philosophy that shapes how many Japanese households approach kitchen maintenance overall. In Japan, cleaning is often viewed less as a large, exhausting task and more as a series of small routines repeated consistently before problems become severe. Instead of waiting for vent filters to become thick with grease and odors, small amounts of buildup are removed regularly while they are still soft and manageable. This mindset is closely connected to the Japanese concept of mottainai, a feeling of regret over waste caused by neglect. Allowing kitchen appliances and ventilation systems to deteriorate under years of hardened grease is often seen as avoidable damage rather than normal wear. That is why many Japanese kitchens focus heavily on airflow, immediate cleanup, and preventive maintenance after cooking. Even simple habits reflect this philosophy. Vent fans are turned on before cooking starts, grease splashes are wiped quickly while still fresh, and filters are checked regularly instead of only during major cleaning sessions. The goal is not simply to make the microwave look clean on the outside. It is to maintain the entire airflow system before hidden buildup has time to spread deeply inside the appliance. And in many ways, that may be the real reason Japanese kitchens often stay cleaner with far less effort overall. The focus is not on fixing years of grease later. It is on preventing the grease from becoming permanent in the first place. If you want your microwave vent to stay free from thick, sticky grease buildup, there are a few habits Japanese cleaning experts recommend stopping immediately. The first is ignoring the vent filter completely for months or even years. Once grease begins coating the mesh, it traps even more smoke, dust, and airborne oil particles every time cooking happens, causing the buildup to spread faster over time. Second, stop scrubbing dry grease aggressively with rough brushes or steel wool. Hardened grease behaves almost like baked resin after repeated heat exposure, and aggressive scrubbing often bends the metal mesh while spreading oily residue deeper into the filter. Third, avoid using bleach or extremely harsh chemical degreasers directly on microwave vent filters. These products may remove surface stains temporarily, but they are not designed to dissolve thick oxidized grease properly and may leave behind fumes or damage protective coatings. Fourth, never reinstall vent filters while they are still damp. Moisture trapped inside the mesh creates a sticky surface that allows new grease and dust particles to attach much faster during the next cooking cycle. And finally, stop waiting until the kitchen smells bad before cleaning the vent system properly. By the time strong, greasy odors appear, thick layers of reheated oil have often already built up deep inside the filter, reducing airflow and trapping even more residue every time the fan runs. The Japanese approach to cleaning microwave vent grease is not built around powerful chemicals, aggressive scrubbing, or replacing filters once they become clogged with buildup. It is built around understanding how grease forms in the first place, and removing it before heat and smoke have time to harden the oils deep inside the vent system. And in many ways, that is the real lesson behind these methods. Most heavy kitchen grease does not appear overnight. It develops slowly through tiny airborne oil particles collecting day after day until the vent filter becomes thick, sticky, and difficult to clean. But once the buildup is softened properly and removed consistently, the entire kitchen begins feeling fresher with far less effort overall. Airflow improves, odors disappear, and the vent system works the way it was originally designed to. If you found this useful, subscribe for more practical Japanese cleaning methods that make everyday life cleaner, simpler, and more efficient. And next time, we are looking at another hidden household problem most people unknowingly ignore until it becomes much worse later on.